From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Trevor Grandin. Missouri's cyclospora outbreak continues to grow. State health officials now report 593 confirmed cases. That's a nearly 63% increase from last week. The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services updated the state's cyclospora case count yesterday. State epidemiologist Nathan Kofarnis says about 10% of last week's patients have been hospitalized, and they are still working to identify the source of the outbreak.
We're certainly looking for clusters and then working with environmental partners to follow up on anything we would find. We know some of the recalled product made its way to Missouri. It's right there on, the FDA's recall list. So it's definitely possible that we have exposures related to that.
Nationally, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported last week that the parasite has sickened people in 9 states and continues to warn against fresh produce from Taylor Farms. Missouri, however, has not been included in the CDC's multi-state outbreak investigation. Applications have opened for positions on a variety of Columbia city government boards and commissions. KOMU8 reports that the Columbia City Clerk's Office is now accepting applications from residents interested in serving on 10 different government bodies. They include the Board of Health, the Climate and Environment Commission, the Public Transit Advisory Commission, and the Historic Preservation Commission. Applications can be found on the city's website. The deadline to submit is August 7th. While the current extreme heat warning is set to expire tonight, doctors warn there are many folks still susceptible to heat. This would include people over 65, young children, pregnant people, those with chronic conditions, and individuals on certain medications. Dr. Chris Sampson is an emergency medicine doctor at MU Healthcare. He says many common medications, such as antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and even allergy meds, can reduce a person's ability to handle heat.
Make sure before you even leave the house that you're well hydrated, knowing that those medications do cause you to sweat more or urinate more.
According to the Mayo Clinic, people more susceptible to heat should start taking precautions when the heat index rises above 91 degrees. Sampson adds if someone gets dizzy, acts confused, or has hot, dry skin, call 911 immediately, as these are signs of heat stroke. And the Red Cross announced its second ever national blood crisis today as donations dip to a 4-year summer low. KOMU8 reports the Red Cross cited extreme heat, poor air quality, and widespread foodborne illnesses as a contributing factor to the lower donor turnout this summer. While all blood types are needed, type O blood is stretched the thinnest, and the Red Cross is currently limiting its distribution to hospitals. In mid-Missouri, residents may donate at Red Cross locations in Columbia, Jefferson City, and Fort Leonard Wood. I'm Trevor Grandin, KBIA News, Columbia.